Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Bgmi is updated and that you can change DNS on your device. Next, pick a reputable DNS VPN service and copy the DNS IP or hostname they give you. Once done, open Android Wi-Fi settings, long press your network, tap Modify, then show advanced options so you can set a static IP or manual DNS entry. Make sure background apps are closed to avoid routing conflicts before moving on to the next setup stage. Now you implement the DNS change. If your Android supports private DNS, paste the provider hostname. Otherwise, manually set the DNS IP in your Wi-Fi advanced settings. If the provider needs a tunneling app, install it and import the profile they provide. Enable only the tunnel for game traffic if split tunneling is supported. After applying, verify by running a quick DNS lookup or ping to ensure queries resolve through the provider. This confirms you're routing correctly for Bgmi. Finish by launching Bgmi and observing matchmaking and ping. You should see improved routing or region stability if the DNS VPN is effective. If you run into packet loss or higher latency, revert to your original DNS and retest to isolate the change. Make sure to flush DNS cache or reboot your phone after changes. This clears stale resolution data. If problems persist, contact the DNS VPN provider for logs and only reapply settings once they confirm compatibility with Bgmi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.